take this thing and cut this segment out like this. This is what you would get. So what we get is, here's the arcuate artery. So from here up is the cortex. Okay, so sometimes what I'll do is I'll put a long strip of tape here with arrows all along. Number 19 identifies specifically, right? Say adrenal cortex or adrenal medulla. So now, arcuate artery gives rise to interlobular artery, not interlobar, interlobular artery. And the interlobular artery gives rise to the afferent arteriole, which leads into Bowman's capsule, which is shown in green here. So this is the, what's it called? Afferent arteriole, and then this is the efferent coming out.
We could just call that the glomerulus cell,
You
right?
could call this glomerulus or Bowman's capsule. Because technically the green part itself is Bowman's capsule, but if I point to this, you don't know if I mean the whole thing, including what's inside it. So if you include what's inside it, it's the glomerulus. So glomerulus means Bowman's capsule plus glomerular capillaries. All right, so afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole. Bowman's capsule leads into this orange-colored, I think it's orange, proximal convoluted tubule, which is quite long, tortuously twisted. Proximal convoluted tubule, which then forms, let's look at this one, forms the loop of Henle, which moves into this purple distal convoluted tubule, which empties into the yellow collecting duct.
The loop of Henle is which one?
This whole thing is the loop of Henle. Okay, so the loop of Henle is the continuation of the proximal convoluted tubule before it forms the distal convoluted tubule. Incidentally, the cells making up these tubes are different, so they truly have different names because they should. They're made up of different kinds of cells carrying out different kinds of functions. But I don't get into the functions. That's Finley's job. Okay, so we know the general lay of the land. We know that this is the separation between cortex and medulla. So there's a couple of other interesting things that happen here. Those nephrons that are next to the cortex are known as, next to the medulla, the bottom of the cortex, next to